Unveiling the heroes of cybersecurity incident response. Meet the incident commander, the leader of the pack. With their strategic vision and decisive action, they coordinate the entire incident response process, ensuring an organized and efficient approach to mitigating cyber threats. Next, the forensic analyst. Armed with investigative techniques, they uncover clues left by cybercriminals. Their expertise in digital forensics identifies the root cause of incidents and collects crucial evidence for legal proceedings. Enter the threat hunter, a proactive detective of the cyber realm. With a keen eye for anomalies, they scour networks, systems, and data to detect and eliminate threats before they wreak havoc. Here comes the incident responder, the rapid response superhero. They contain and neutralize threats, minimizing damage and restoring normal operations swiftly. Lastly, the communication specialist. They ensure clear and effective communication during incident response.
Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.